Hello guys, welcome to iTech Studios, and in this tutorial I will show you how to download Windows 10 ISO. And then if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and then you type in Windows 10 download and then you search. After searching, you click on the first link and it will direct you to the official Microsoft website. And as you can see on the page here, you have no proper option to download the ISO file unless you create a Windows 10 installation media. And even to do that, you first need to have a license to do so. But in our case, we want to get the ISO file itself. So to do this, you head to the right top corner of the Chrome browser and you click on the three dots. And in the pop-up menu, you choose more options down below. And then you click on developer tools in the pop-up option. And then in the new open window, you click on the three dots once more and then you search for more tools, and in the pop-up menu you choose network conditions. Okay, and as you head down, you get to see use browser defaults, which have already been checked, so you have to uncheck that box, and then you see below it as custom, so you just click on it and then you scroll through to choose Chrome OS, and then you refresh the Microsoft page. Okay. So after refreshing, you get to see that you now have a proper option to download the Windows 10, and you are being asked here to select the edition, so you just click on it and then you click on Windows 10 Multi Edition ISO and you click on confirm, and we wait for several seconds for it to validate. And after here, you select the product language. If it's English, you just choose English and then you click confirm. We wait for several seconds too, and as you can see here, you are being given the 32-bit and then the 64-bit. So you download according to the operating system of your device. If it's 32-bit, you download the 32. If it's 64, sorry, you download the 64. So I'll just click on 64-bit download, and as you can see here, I'm now able to download the Windows 10 ISO file. That's all for this tutorial, guys. If you found it to be very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials. See you next time.